Hi everybody and welcome back to Hex Token channel. Here we are, hex.com. Let's go in today's results. 844 on the Hex Day journey, and of course the 25th of March 2022. We've got a price up 2.1% and we're just under 14 cents there at 13.892. Very, very cool. Of course, we did hit 15 cents earlier in the day. Pretty nice, and it looks like it's probably still going to keep going up there. We've got return on investment from Multiply from all-time low for the Jan 2020 is now 2,461x, up from yesterday. So look at the magic in Hex, of course, the TShare numbers. Payout per TShare in terms of Hex is 5.957 Hex per TShare. TShare stands for trillions of shares. TShare share price is 2,939. Remember, this is determined by the Hex price and, of course, the share rate. And the share rate is up 6.7. 21,155 up and to the right. Very, very cool. Average stake length is at 6.36 years. Annual percentage yield rate, interest, or as we call it, inflation, plus early in-stake penalties, 37.61%. Let's have a look at the pool. Pool is up 4 million from yesterday, obviously with a slight pull back there in the price from 15 cents. And of course, liquidity in the pool, $19.5 million US dollars, 2,225 Ethereum there is increased. Let's have a look at the valuations. 8.6 billion is locked, and of course market cap is just over 80 billion. TShare market cap 31.45 billion. TShares are down 3,600 but still over 10.7 million in total. If you got TShare, you are loving it. It's a little money printing machine, as it were. Total supply numbers 639.1 billion, and mint inflation up 11.4 million. Circulating supply is pretty flat there at 577.25 billion. And of course, the stake supply up 11 million to 61.9 billion. Woo, nice. Let's have a look at the stake percentage of coins, 9.69%. We've got the payout to Hex stakers, 63.7 million, I should say. And of course, that's all deferred inflation. So very cool. Hex penalties, a modest day again at 229,000. And let's have a look at the total holder numbers, up 351 to 438,646. Stakers up 129, I should say, to 88.976, almost 89,000. And of course, total stakers up 145 to 111,521. And finally, current holders up 256 to 287,560. So onwards, upwards. Those are results for day 844, folks. Let's get into the Hex price. Hex price here had a beautiful rally here. Broke through the 12.5 resistance and then broke through the 14 cent resistance up to 15 cents. But it had to get over 15.5 cents, didn't do that, and has pulled back here to 13.5. Now trying to get back over, back up there over that 14 cent resistance. So that's what we're trying to get over. This is the line here. So we've got a new resistance formed in here, currently at 14.35 cents. Of course, longer term, that is 14 cents. And of course, let's see us move up there. So not too bad at the stage. We'll definitely think it's going to be a green weekend. So we'll watch it, see if it keeps going up. Catch me in the live streams in a couple of hours' time, and we'll check that out. Hedron sitting at 2,247. So still showing a little bit of weakness, but not really, hasn't really crashed down from here. Like I say, I think 1,700 to 2,300 is kind of the nice DCA range there. And of course, we're still in there at the moment. Cool. The market's looking really nice. BTC up to 44,400. And of course, Ethereum is sitting at 3,100. I expect this to do a bit of a run, of course, late, maybe in June. We've got the Ethereum docking to full proof of stake coming up. So if they do manage to get it, then we could see a real run on the ETH price. The stake at the moment, $2,900 to get a TShare in real time. We've got 58% of liquidity in USD3 pair there. It's a good time to DCA, but the price is starting to rise on the TShares. So like I say, they're could have runaway once Hex rises. Of course, the adoption is up and to the right. The TShare rate is up and to the right here. The payouts have been spectacular, generally over 6 Hex per TShare. And of course, the 15-year global stakes here. Let's zoom in on the next 11 months, see who's got stakes coming out. We're going to scroll down to the bottom here. We can see the next 11 months that we've got 65,000 TShares coming out before the end of March, and then by the end of April, we've got 332,000. So very, very cool. I still think we're going to have Pulse Chain testnet V3 in the house, and of course, let's see when we actually get to launch. Earlier state is still mid-April, but of course, depending on how the testnet's going, this could get pushed out. So we're just going to be practical about that. Very, very cool. And I think that's probably it on there. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Feel free to subscribe, like, share, hit the bell. You can catch me in the live show in about maybe 2 hours' time, something like that. All right. Catch you then. Bye for now.